Chapter 7 Triangles, Exercise 7.1. Okay, the question is, in quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equal to AD and AB bisect angle A. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Okay, in this figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, also given that AC is equal to AD and AB bisect angle A. That is, AB is the bisector of angle A, which means these two angles are equal. That is, angle CAB is equal to angle BAD. Reason, AB bisects angle A. Okay, then to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. So consider the two triangles ABC and triangle ABD. Okay. Given that AC is equal to AD and also as angle CAB is equal to angle BAD. In these two triangles, AB is the common side. That is, AB is equal to AB, which is the common side. That is, one angles are equal. Also the sides AC is equal to AD and AB is equal to AB. So by SAS rule we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Okay, by SAS rule we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. The last question is, what can you say about BC and BD? Okay, we know that angle CAB is equal to angle BAD. These two angles are equal. Then the side opposite to equal angles are equal. That is, BC is equal to BD. Okay, these two sides are equal. Second question, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Prove that, first question, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Second question, BD is equal to AC. Third question, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Okay, so the first question is, prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Okay, this is triangle ABD and second consider triangle BAC. Okay, here given that AD is equal to BC, these two sides are equal. AD is equal to BC. Also given that angle DAB is equal to angle CAB. Angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. These two angles are equal. Okay. Then here BA is equal to BA. It is the common side. BA is equal to BA, common side. Okay. Then by SAS rule we can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Okay. The second question is to prove that BD is equal to AC. Okay. Clearly, these two angles are equal. That is, angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. We know that the side opposite to equal angles are equal. So, these two sides are equal, which implies we get BD is equal to AC. Okay. Then, okay. To prove that angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Okay. Clearly we know that BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD. Then the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. That is, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Okay. Thank you.